When I go with confidence, when I go to roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up one night, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking a very long unit. This hair is brought to you by Asteria Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customized this unit, as well as a full install swoop tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye!
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this box, I received a couple goodies. I received a head wrap, an elastic band, some eyelashes, a wig cap, a wig bag, as well as this item to create heatless curls. This unit is a human hair straight wig at 30 inches long. She is a Swiss lace with a natural looking hairline. She is 250% density, very thick. She is also a transparent lace with a natural looking hairline. This is a 13x4 lace frontal unit with adjustable straps and combs. So now it's time to bleach these knots. I'm going to take my Quick Blue 40 volume developer and also my Adore Eggplant color. This is going to create a nice natural frontal look, very scalp like. I've been doing this method for about a month now and it has never failed me, especially with those very thick knots. It definitely lifts. So I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue Blast Free spray and just spray that hairline and comb all the little hairs back. Make sure it's straight back so you don't over bleach any of these knots. And some people use a knife. I made the consistency very thick, so I just use a regular dye brush and it doesn't bleed through the hair. So if you make the consistency thick enough, you don't have to use a knife, but if it is a little watery, definitely use a knife. I did use purple conditioner to tone these knots and it came out so gorgeous and beautiful and perfect. Don't forget to add your foil and let it sit for 15 minutes. This is the next day. Look at how thick and luscious she is. This is the natural curl pattern. I'm going to take some heat protecting spray and then blow dry the hair because this hair is very thick. It took 2 days. Like, I let it air dry for 2 days and it was still wet. So if you do get thick units, definitely prepare for that. And then I just went in and straightened this unit after I blow dried it. And here is the results. I learned a new technique with plucking the knots. So here I am zigzagging the part. I learned this off of TikTok and here just creates a better natural hairline. So if the technique that you're using isn't really working, try this one. Always practice with different and new techniques until you get, you know, your wig installed perfect and how you like it. Don't forget to add your favorite concealer to your unit. I like to add it inside and also on the hairline. So now it's time to install this unit. As you can see, I'm just going to put the cap over. I haven't done bulk caps in a while. Always switch up your methods. I keep, enforcing that. Switch up your methods, especially if your skin starts getting irritated. Maybe use different products on your skin, and maybe not even use glue if you are experiencing irritation. I took like maybe 2 weeks away from Bold Hold for a while, and my skin started getting better. Well, my skin was never bad because I always switch my technique up like every other month, just so my hair doesn't get damaged. So that's a quick tip. I'm gonna play some music while you guys vibe out and watch me install this unit, and I'll get back to you on the swoop tutorial.
When I go with confidence, when I go to the roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a day guarantee and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kicked in and let my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum 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 bum.
Now that was a vibe. So as you can see, I already started on the swoop. I have another tutorial on how I do my swoops, but I'm pretty sure you have the spritz and that shine mist in your local beauty supply. I'm gonna try to find it on Amazon for you, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on your beauty supply. What I like to do is spritz the hair first, and then comb it down in a little section, and then get a blow dryer and blow dry each time I comb. So just start from the top all the way to the bottom, not like all the way through, because then it gets a little overwhelming. And then as you saw, I did it like I parted piece by piece instead of like the whole swoop, just so it can mold in that position. And that's basically it. And then I just use one bobby pin to hold it down, because the spritz did most of the work. And then that shine helps with not like your hands sticking to the hair and creating like a white residue. And then it also gives you that salon quality look like I always mention in my videos. I love my hair being shiny and all that. It just makes it look like I got straight out the salon. It looks very professional, all of that. And that's basically how I did my side swoop. It's super cute. I seen Cardi B do like the heart shape one, so let me know down below if I should try that one because it's so freaking cute. So I might do it. Even if you guys don't want me to do it, I probably will because I just got inspired. But yeah, that is basically it. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair Company, for letting me try out this beautiful wig. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always post